This video is usually recording for myself, so I can always come back when I forget. It's about some Git magic. So I have this repo that I created from another repo of mine using this new GitHub templating. This template feature completely clean up your history while you are creating this repo in the new place. So what I have to do now is I did some work in this new repo, and then today I also did some work in the base repo, and I want to pull this update from this base repo to this new repo, and I don't want to mess up my Git history and the work I already put into it. So let's see how can we do that. Let's git clone first. So I am cloning it now. So we have to add this upstream branch first. What is upstream? So let's add this upstream. Did not have enough time yet to configure Ghosty properly. So I now have these upstream branch in my remote configuration. So there's now two ways we can pull the changes from this base repo to this new repo. So if I do git pull, that will actually pull everything, all the history, all the commits from the base repo, and I don't want to do that. What I want is a specific commit that will sit on top of my current commit history. And I also cannot rebase because the history of commits from my base repo to this current repo does not really match because there is no Git history when I created this new repo from this base using this templating feature. So we have to git fetch. Yeah, we have to git fetch upstream. All right, so our upstream branch is now available in our local repo. Now let's see what do we have in our upstream. So this is our upstream git history, and I want the commit from this base repo, not only this one, but from here to all of this. That means we can use git cherry pick the commit hash. I don't know what do you call this sign. And then upstream main. Obviously there will have some sort of conflict. Let's see. So it's a React project, so there's definitely a very high chance to have this merge conflict with pnpm lock. Let's see. So install the pnpm install and see if that solves anything, because that will update this pnpm log file. Okay, will that do anything? Let's git add, and let's see, git cherry pick continued. Yeah, so it did solve it, but now there are, because there, if you remember, we have like 5 commit that we want to pull. So what we just solved, the conflict with pnpm log, that actually solved with one of those commit. So yeah, now we have the same problem again with pnpm log. Let's run pnpm install again. That will update these pnpm log file again. All right, let's add the log file again to the stage. Yeah, and let's git cherry pick continue. Yeah, that solved it. Yeah, the same thing. Man, this log file. Okay, what else? Yeah, git add, git cherry pick continue. Yeah, I think yeah we are done. So if we see now our git log, yeah, so we should see a clean git history. As you can see, these are all our commit from our base repo. So yeah, so that's how you can keep your git history clean using git cherry pick. This is very convenient way, really. I like it, and I think I'm gonna need it almost every day now.